Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view private Instagram profiles. So, I came across this tool called Unlock Private, and honestly, it's kind of wild. It lets you see content from private accounts. I've been testing it on my iPhone, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works step by step. Let's start with the tool itself. As you can see, it's designed specifically to view private Instagram accounts. And yes, it actually works. I'll show you with a real example. I've picked a private profile to test this on. Normally, when you land on it, you'd see a blank feed. Nothing there unless you're approved. But with Unlock Private, you can bypass that. First step, copy the username of the private profile you want to view. Once you've got that, open up the Unlock Private app, paste in the username, and hit the connect button. Give it a few seconds to work. It doesn't take long. Now, let's head back to Instagram and refresh the page. And just like that, the account is unlocked. You can scroll through posts, view stories, everything. It's kind of insane how easy it is. If you want to try this yourself, let me show you how to get the app. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Unlock Private and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.